Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, each and everyone. In the previous lecture, I have taught you the winter season 2D drawing. Yes, 2D design we have done winter season, and in this in this lecture, we are going to do snowman with paper strips. Yes, there are two sizes of strips. The first one is 19 by 1.5 centimeter. Yes, you have to cut 8 strips, and this is the 27 by 2 centimeter. You needed 4 strips. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a snowman with paper strips. Okay, so let's begin with this. I'll just turn the camera so that you can easily see it. Okay. I hope each and everyone can see this. So just look at this. Here, this is the 4 strips I have cutted. Yes, these are the 4 strips. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold these 4 strips together. Just look at this. I'm going to hold these 4 strips together and just look at this. Okay, pay attention what I'm doing. Hold it properly, fold it in this way. Okay, and just give a slight bend and open it. So we'll get the center point. Okay, here we have got the center point. Now what we are going to do is I'm going to take a Fevicol. Yes, I have got the Fevicol. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Fevicol and apply it on this part. Okay, and just placing it in a plus sign. Just look at this. This is a plus sign which I have made. Okay, in this way you have to stick it. Okay, again apply the Fevicol on this part. Yes, and paste it in cross way. In this way you have to paste it. Yes, again take Fevicol, apply it on over that paper, over that strip, and place it in this way. Just look at this. This is how I have placed it. Yes, this is how you are going to make the shape. Just look at this. I have taken 4 papers and first I have made a plus and then I have made a cross sign. Is that clear? Clear each and everyone? Just drop a message in the chat box. Is that clear to each and everyone? Okay. So now what we are going to do, keep this strip aside, or what you can do is just look at this. You have to roll it in this way and apply the Fevicol on this corner and just look at this. This is how you're going to stick it. Yes, just look at this. Yes, then same way, applying the Fevicol on this part. Yes, after applying the Fevicol on this part, I'm going to stick it in this way. Just look at this. Yes, same way, apply the Fevicol on this part and just roll the paper in this way. Just look at this. Yes, after that, apply the Fevicol on this part and then just stick it over here. Just look at this. Okay, one by one you have to stick it in this way. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is how you're going to paste it. Okay, this is how you're going to paste it. If your fingers goes inside, just place it over here and press it nicely. Okay, this is how we have made a paper ball. Yes, so this is the body of the snowman. Yes, this is the body of the snowman. Till here, each and everyone is clear with this, how to do it? Yes, just look at this. This is how I have made the ball, and I'm just keeping this aside. Now taking 4 small size of paper strip in this way. Same way you're going to do it. Okay, same way you're going to do it. Just look at this. First, take the 4 strips together. Keep it together. Fold it in this way and just press it. You will get the center. Then you have to just apply the Fevicol on this part and paste the paper strip. Plus, then applying the Fevicol again and just pasting the strip in this way. Just look at this. Same way. This is the small one. Okay. You have got the another one also. Same way we are going to do it again. So now what we are going to do is taking the strip, applying the Fevicol on the corner and just rolling the paper in this way. Just look at this one. Here comes your second one. Okay. So you're going to stick the papers. Apply the Fevicol and roll the paper in this way. Apply the Fevicol and stick the paper in this way. Yes, same way. Apply the Fevicol and stick the paper. Same way. Apply the Fevicol and stick it. Yes, in this way we have made another ball. So keep it aside. Then we are one more we are having over here. Same way, keep all the papers together. Okay, after keeping all the papers together, fold it into half, get the center line, center point, and then same way apply the Fevicol, make a plus sign. Yes, make a plus sign in this way. Then again apply the Fevicol make a cross sign. Same way, apply the Fevicol over here and paste this in this way. Yes. After you have completed with this, same way, we are going to do it again. Apply the Fevicol and roll the paper. See, 3 times I have done. You also have to do it 3 times. Okay. Just look at this. 1. Here comes your second one. 2. 3, 4. This is your 5th one. 6th. 7th one. And this is the final one. Press it nicely. Okay. Press it nicely so that it get properly stick. So this is the big one. Here comes 2 small. Okay. After this, what you're going to do now is, it's very important and it will be bit tricky. Okay. So now what you're going to do is, this is the where I have stick all the parts. What you're going to do, you're going to apply the Fevicol on this part and you're going to paste it over the big one. Just look at this. If your finger doesn't goes inside, take the help of pencil or a pen. You just have to press it nicely. Okay. This way you are going to do it. Just look at this. It may be very tricky. You can take help of the elders if you want. This way you're going to paste it. You have to press it nicely, okay? Or else it will be, it may come out. So you can take help of a pen or a pencil or thing. Just put it inside. Press it nicely so that it get stick properly. Okay. This is how I have sticked it. Just look at this. Now sticking the another part, another ball upon that. So same way, apply the Fevicol. Yes, apply the Fevicol on this part and then put the pen inside so that you will get some support and then stick this part upon that. Okay, just look at this. You have to keep it for some time so that it gets stick properly. So this is how you're going to stick it. Just look at this. Or if it's not sticking or it may take time, so what you can do is you can take a stapler. Okay, you can take a stapler. So here I have a stapler. Stapler किधर है? So here I got my stapler. I've got the pin. It will it is easy. It will get easy for you Just put the stapler properly inside. Put the stapler inside in this way. Okay. After that, staple a pin over here. Okay. Now it is not going to come out. So second time, apply the Fevicol also and place it over here in this way. Put the stapler inside. Carefully you have to put it. The paper should not get tear. Should not tear. Okay. After this, just look at this. Now it's not going to be now it is not going to tear. Okay, so this is how you're going to make it. Okay, so after this we have completed with this. What you can do, you can take a black color paper, as I've told you. With this black color paper we are going to make the hat. So just look at this. What you're going to do is you can take a scale and take a pencil. Take the scale and take the pencil. For making the hat, first we are going to make the top part. Just look at this in this way. Cut this paper in this way. Okay, afterwards what you're going to do, we are going to roll it. Okay, we are going to roll this in this way. Okay, stick the corner. Apply the Fevicol on this corner. Stick it nicely. Just look at this. This is how I have stick it. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the scissor and I'm going to cut some strips out of this. Just look at this. Yes, in this way I'm going to cut the strips. Just look at this. Spread it out in this way. Okay, and there's one more paper over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the Fevicol on this side. Okay, and then I'm going to place this paper upon this and I'm going to stick all the corners properly. Just look at this. Yes, after sticking all the sides, what you're going to do is you are going to cut a circle. Yes, this way I have cut the circle, and just look at this. This is how I have made the hat. Okay, you can just do one thing. You can just cut some strips in this way. Fold it inside. Just look at this. This is how I have folded all the papers inside. And you can take a black color round color paper, and you can cut a circle out of this. And you can stick it upon it. Apply the Fevicol. Place this on that hat. Yes, this way you're going to do it, and then cut the extra papers out. This is how you can make the hat of the snowman. After this, you can just place the hat on this. So for applying it, just apply the Fevicol on this part and placing the hat on this in this way. Take the pen and just nicely so that it may get stick properly. Yes, so just look at this here. We have made the hat of the snowman. Now what you are going to do, we are going to make the eyes. So for making the eyes, we need two circles. One, two. Cut the strip. One. And here is the another one. Okay. Apply the Fevicol this part. Look at the proper shape of the hat. So this is where I'm going to place the eyes. One, applying the Fevicol. Here comes the second eye. Just look at this. Okay, here I've made the eyes. Now I'm going to make the mouth. So for making the mouth, I'm going to make a smile. Yes, this is how you're going to cut it. I'm doing it with black paper only. Yes, after doing this, taking Fevicol, applying the Fevicol on this, and pasting this smile on this face. Just look at this. Yes. After doing this, the only thing which is remaining will be the nose. So for making the nose here, we need a orange color paper. Okay, so I don't have orange over here, but I have pink. So I'm going to take a small strip of this pink. Okay, I've taken a pink color paper. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cone. Okay, this is how I have made the cone, and going to cut this. Okay, for the nose, I have cut the cone. I'm going to cut it out, and then I'm going to cut a strip. Spread this. Apply the Fevicol. Pasting this nose over here. Just look at this. Yes, this is how you're going to make the snowman. After you make this snowman, what you can do at the end, you can take a cardboard. Okay, you can take a cardboard for making a you know yes, you can make a this platform like thing over here, and then you can apply the Fevicol on this part in the center. You can apply the Fevicol, and you just have to stick this snowman on that. So this is how we have made the snowman. Just look at this. Yes, you can make the hand if you want. You can make the hands also. You can take the woolen thread and you can make the buttons of this snowman, and you can make the muffler of the snowman. Is that clear, each and every one? How many students have made this painting in this class? They can show me.